Hola, queridos estudiantes at Alta Loma Christian School. Can everybody just for a few seconds close your eyes? Without peeking, I'm watching you. Same to you. And just close your eyes and imagine being in an orphanage with 550 kids, without electricity, with no water, and if you were lucky enough to have 3 meals, it would be more like a tortilla and salt. Not everybody, open your eyes. And let me tell you, not my testimony, but the testimony that God has entrusted me with through Operation Christmas Child. My name is Yuri Lopez, and I'm original from Honduras. From the day that I was born till 16 years old, I grew up in 14 different orphanages. At 2 years old, I got separated from my siblings, including my twin sister. Imagine for all those of you who have siblings and you were separated from your siblings, how will you feel? But the good thing is that I still have that hope and faith that God is gonna bring us together one day. Later on, I was sent to another orphanage. The orphanage started with 5 kids, and then it grew up to 550 kids. At the beginning, we didn't have electricity. There was no water, and if we were lucky enough to have 3 meals, it would be more like a tortilla and salt, and that was it. But one of the things that I was so grateful to have was an education, because in so many of the orphanages in Honduras, you do not have the opportunity to go to school. I remember I was only 6 years old, like many of you guys. I was only in 2nd grade when I received my Operation Christmas Child shoebox gift. And I remember when I opened my box, I got so excited because one of the first things I saw was a set of 10 pencils. And I screamed as loud as I could when I saw that set of 10 pencils. Why? Because in my orphanage, at the beginning of the school year, they will give us 1 notebook and 1 pencil. And it has to last you the entire year. But also, in my shoebox, there was a toothbrush. And I got so excited when I saw my toothbrush too, because before receiving my shoebox, I have to share the same toothbrush with 25 other girls. Yes, I'm watching your reactions in your face. Ew. Yes, we had to do it. But when I received my own gift, my own shoebox, and I saw my own toothbrush, that was special for me. But also too, there were so many other items like more school supplies, hygiene items, a coloring book, crayons, and many other things. But there was another special item that I want to share with you guys. And it was this note of the little girl who packed my shoebox. A note that simply said, "Jesus love you, and I love you too." I was only 6 years old. I was so excited about the items that were inside of my shoebox. 1, because it was my first Christmas present. But 2, for the first time, I had something that I can say is my own, and I don't have to share it with anybody else. But at 13 years old, that's when the shoebox made an impact in my life. When I was feeling lonely, when I was feeling hopeless, when I felt that God was really far away from me simply because I was an orphan, this note that the little girl wrote, "I love you, and Jesus love you too," were the answer of all my prayers. At 13 years old, I accepted Jesus as my Lord and Savior. Also, that same day, I received another special gift, and it was a Bible. And when I opened it, it said Jeremiah 29:11, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you, not to harm you, but plans to give you a hope and a future." And that day, I did believe that God had a plan for my life. Today, I want to say thank you for your faithfulness in packing shoe boxes for so many years. But I heard that you guys are packing. Your goal for this year is 400 shoe boxes. Wow. That means that 400 kids are going to hear the gospel because of you. Thank you for your faithfulness and your partnership. May God bless you and your family. Together, let's make an impact for His kingdom. Again, thank you.